Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Imratun Nasana. I will explain about Blastosystic hominis which can cause diarrhea in humans. First, there is an introduction. Blast Blastosystis hominis is a protozoan intestinal parasite belonging to the Blastosystis genus of Straminopilis and a vast array of organisms, including bronze algae, water mold, and diatoms. Its status as the true pathogen is controversial. It has been found in patients with gastrointestinal symptoms. It is not proven to be the cause, and many carriers are asymptomatic. Research on Blastocystis hominis is limited, with a large gap remaining in our understanding of life cycle transmission mechanisms, incubation period, epidemiology, and treatment option. Next, I will explain about the classification. Is like most aspect of Blastocystis hominis, the parasite taxonomy and classification is rather unclear. Different cores currently provide significantly different phylogenetic traits for Blastocystis hominis. The National Center for Biotechnology Information lists the following rather simple version in their technology browser. Next, for the history of his discovery, is the genus Blastocystis was created by Alexis in 1911. It was originally described in a years before being placed among two protozoan following a series of physiological and morphological comparison carried out in the 1960. Since then, studies have continued of try and reach accurate conclusion about many aspects of Hominis. Next, for transmission, the precise transmission mechanism of Blastocystis hominis remain murky. Fecal oral transmission is the most accepted pathway, and recent studies have shown that transmission involves only the kiss from of the parasite. The extent to which humans and humans in animal and animal humans transmission occurs is still unknown. Genomic studies provide evidence for all three routes, though experimental studies have yet to provide conclusive proof the existence for either. Next, about morphology, culture studies of Blastocystis hominis have identified several main forms of the organism as as recently confirmed cystic. Number one, fecal and general forms that consist of a spherical cell containing a large single vacuole. Number two, granular cell contain many small granules in the cytoplasm of the center follicles. The cell region between an average of 4 and an average of 4 and 15 micrometers in diameter. Multiple nuclei up to 4 can be present. These are the most common forms of Hominis. Multifocular and aficulous form. These contain many smaller follicles or novacule within a smaller cell to between 5 and 8 micrometers in diameter. One nucleus tend to be present with maximum of 2. Next, amoeboid forms. This is every raw forms with irregularly shaped cells from 2.6 to 7.8 micrometers in diameter. Pseudopodia are often attached. Allergic central follicle may or may not be present. Okay, the next is forms a heart resistive from between 3 and 10 micrometers in diameter. A thick wall as a capsulates the structure which includes many follicles and 1 or 2 nuclei. Okay, next about life cycle of Hominis is for course not fully understood. The CDC approximation indicate the following. However, it is proposed that within the gut follicular stage reproduce mitosis occasionally forming multifocular or amoeboid forms. The amoeboid forms replicate further through mitosis, eventually undergoing zygogony before exiting the host, the stick Wells case. This is the infect order via the fecal oral pathway. The multifocular forms may undergo zygogony. The becomes then walls wall kiss the eventually ruptures to enclose new follicular cell. Then for strategies of vaccines for public health and prevention, there are 4 solutions. Number 1, hand wash with soap and water. Number 2, avoid potentially infected water and food. Number 3, wash and peel all raw fruit and vegetable. Number 4, avoid untreated water in countries with less established water safety standards. Maybe that just for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.